The future of hypercars is already here. What used to feel impossible is now becoming normal. Speed is no longer the limit. Technology is rewriting everything. From silent electric force to hybrid machines that react instantly, this is a new kind of performance the world wasn't ready for. (10) Bugatti Bolide. Air gets sliced apart before the car even reaches you. That's how aggressive it feels. The shape alone looks like it was designed for one thing only: maximum speed with zero compromise. The Bugatti Bolide isn't built for roads, comfort, or daily driving. It exists purely to push limits on a track, and the moment it moves, you can tell it's operating on a completely different level. At its core is a quad-turbocharged W16, producing an astonishing 1,825 horsepower and around 1,364 pound-feet of torque on high-octane fuel. The way it delivers that power feels relentless, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.2 seconds, and aiming for speeds well beyond 300 miles per hour, all while weighing just around 3,200 pounds. Which is incredibly light for something this powerful. Step inside and everything changes. There's no luxury here, just a focused, race-inspired environment built entirely around control. When you accelerate, the force hits hard and fast, pushing your body back as the engine roars behind you. The sound is raw, mechanical, and constant. No filters, no softness. You feel every vibration, every shift, every surge of power as it builds speed with almost no resistance. Nothing about it feels relaxed. Nothing feels forgiving. It demands precision, attention, and respect. You're already behind what it's capable of doing. 9. Rimac Nevera. Silence can be misleading, especially when it hides something this extreme. Sitting still, the Rimac Nevera gives away nothing. No vibration, no engine note, no hint of aggression. It feels calm, almost too calm for a machine capable of what it's about to do. The moment you press the accelerator, everything changes instantly. With 4 electric motors delivering a staggering 1,914 horsepower and 1,740 pound-feet of torque, the response is immediate. There's no delay, no build-up, just pure force applied all at once. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds and continues accelerating toward around 258 miles per hour, even while carrying roughly 5,100 pounds. Inside the cabin, the experience feels almost unreal. There's no engine roar filling the space, just a controlled, quiet environment that stays composed even under extreme acceleration. And that's what makes it more intense. The force pushes you deep into the seat, your grip tightens without thinking, and your sense of speed gets completely overwhelmed. You're not hearing the acceleration, you're feeling it directly, without distraction. The steering remains smooth, the cabin stays stable, but your body is dealing with something far beyond normal driving. There's no drama in how it begins. Only the realization, a split second later, that you're already moving faster than you expected. 8. Lotus Evija. Light flashes across its body as it moves, but the sound never follows. What you see and what you hear don't match, and that's exactly what makes it unsettling. The Lotus Evija is built around one idea: extreme performance without excess weight. It doesn't rely on size or noise to feel powerful. It delivers everything through precision and instant response. Powered by 4 electric motors, it produces an incredible 1,972 horsepower and around 1,254 pound-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.0 seconds and pushing toward a top speed of about 217 miles per hour, all while weighing roughly 3,700 pounds, light for an electric hypercar. Inside the cabin, the experience feels focused and minimal. The cockpit wraps tightly around you, with no unnecessary distractions. Every surface, every control feels designed for performance. There's no engine noise building, just a clean, high-frequency electric tone and a sudden force pressing you back into the seat. The steering feels precise, almost surgical, and every input translates instantly into movement. You stay fully aware of everything: the speed, the grip, the direction, because nothing is being filtered out. Instead of overwhelming you with chaos, it delivers acceleration in a way that feels controlled, exact, and almost too precise to believe. These machines don't follow rules, they rewrite them. 7. Pininfarina Battista. You don't hear it arrive, you notice it after it's already there. The motion is so clean, so immediate, that the usual cues just don't exist. The Pininfarina Battista takes electric performance to an extreme level, but wraps it in a design that feels almost elegant, with 4 electric motors producing around 1,900 horsepower and 1,696 pound-feet of torque. The power delivery is instant and overwhelming. The car launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.0 seconds and continues accelerating toward roughly 217 miles per hour, while weighing about 4,400 pounds. Step inside, and the experience becomes more intense than expected. But the moment you accelerate, that calm environment contrasts sharply with the force you feel. There's no engine roar, no vibration building up, just a sudden heavy push into the seat. The steering remains smooth, the interior stays composed, yet everything outside begins to blur rapidly. The silence doesn't reduce the intensity, it amplifies it. You're left fully aware of the acceleration with nothing masking the sensation. It doesn't warn you, and it doesn't build anticipation. It simply delivers everything at once, leaving you to catch up after it's already happened. If that impressed you, hit like right now. 6. Mercedes-AMG 1. Cold starts don't sound normal here. They sound mechanical, almost restless, like the car isn't meant to sit still for long. There's a sharp, high-strung tone right from the beginning that hints at something far more serious underneath. The Mercedes-AMG 1 brings Formula One technology onto the road, and you can feel that difference immediately. This isn't just fast, it's engineered with a completely different philosophy. A hybrid system built around a turbocharged V6 and multiple electric motors produces around 1,063 horsepower and roughly 737 pound-feet of torque. But the real story is how it delivers that power. Responsive, precise, and constantly building. It moves from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.9 seconds and continues accelerating toward approximately 219 miles per hour, all while weighing close to 3,700 pounds. Inside the cabin, everything feels purpose-built. The steering wheel is shaped more like a race car than a road car, and every control feels deliberate. There's no excess, no distraction, just focus. As you accelerate, the engine note rises sharply, almost like a race car climbing through the rev range. The electric motors add instant response, filling any gap and making the acceleration feel continuous. You can feel the connection, every input, every change in speed, every shift happening in real time. There's no separation between driver and machine here. Just a constant reminder that this car was never meant to behave like anything else on the road. 5. Koenigsegg Gemera. 4 seats, and acceleration that feels completely out of place for something this practical. At a glance, it doesn't look like a machine built for extremes. But the moment it moves, that idea disappears instantly. The Koenigsegg Gemera redefines what a hypercar can be. It combines a compact twin-turbo 3-cylinder engine with multiple electric motors, creating a setup that feels both futuristic and brutally effective. Together, the system produces up to 1,700 horsepower and around 2,581 pound-feet of torque, delivering power in a way that feels immediate and continuous. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.9 seconds and keeps pushing toward roughly 249 miles per hour, all while weighing close to 4,100 pounds. Inside the cabin, the experience is completely different from what you'd expect. Comfortable seating, modern design, and a surprisingly calm atmosphere. It doesn't feel like a stripped-out hypercar until you press the accelerator. The response is instant. The electric motors hit first, pushing you back into the seat. The sensation is smooth but powerful, like everything is working together perfectly. Even with 4 seats, the focus remains on the driver. The steering feels precise, and the car reacts instantly to every input. It feels like something that shouldn't exist in this form. The moment it moves, everything else feels slow. 4. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Look at the shape closely. It doesn't resemble a normal car. Every surface, every curve feels like it was carved by airflow itself. Not styled for comfort or convenience, The Aston Martin Valkyrie is built with a singular obsession: extreme performance without compromise. It doesn't try to balance luxury and usability. It pushes everything towards speed, grip, and response. At its heart is a naturally aspirated V12 paired with an electric system, producing around 1,160 horsepower and approximately 664 pound-feet of torque. The power delivery feels raw and immediate, sending the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds and pushing toward a top speed near 250 miles per hour, all while weighing just around 2,500 pounds. Step inside and it feels nothing like a traditional cabin. The seating position is reclined, almost like a Formula car. Your legs are raised, the cockpit is tight, and everything is built to reduce weight and increase focus. There's no softness here, just a direct connection to the machine. As you accelerate, the V12 rises into a high-pitched scream, sharp and relentless. The electric system adds instant response, making the acceleration feel continuous and aggressive. The steering is alive, the chassis communicates everything, and the sensation of speed builds rapidly without hesitation. 3. Bugatti Mistral. With no roof above you, everything feels closer, louder, faster, more exposed. The air, the sound, the speed, it all hits you directly, with nothing in between. The Bugatti Mistral takes the legendary W16 and removes the barrier between you and the experience. It's not just about performance, it's about feeling every part of it in the most direct way possible. It produces around 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque, delivering a surge that feels smooth yet incredibly strong. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.4 seconds and continues pushing toward roughly 261 miles per hour, all while weighing close to 4,400 pounds. Inside the cabin, the experience becomes completely immersive. Without a roof, the sound isn't contained. It surrounds you. The engine note rises behind you, the turbos build pressure, and the wind rushes past with increasing intensity as speed climbs. Every input becomes more noticeable, every acceleration more intense. There's no isolation here, no separation from what the car is doing. It delivers everything directly: speed, sound, and sensation, exactly as it happens. Subscribe for more cars pushing boundaries. 2. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Electric silence at first, then suddenly a sharp V8 ignites behind you, and everything shifts in an instant. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale doesn't rely on one type of power. It blends electric precision with combustion intensity, creating acceleration that feels layered and constantly evolving. At low speeds, it moves quietly, almost effortlessly. But the moment you push further, the twin-turbo V8 joins in, transforming the entire experience. Combined, the system produces 986 horsepower and around 590 pound-feet of torque, delivering power seamlessly. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds and continues accelerating toward roughly 211 miles per hour, while weighing close to 3,770 pounds. Inside the cabin, the transition is what stands out most. Then suddenly, the engine note rises sharply, filling the cabin as acceleration intensifies. The electric motors keep the response immediate, while the V8 adds emotion and sound. You feel both systems working together, the instant push from electric power and the rising intensity of the engine. The steering remains precise, and every input gets a quick, clean reaction. It doesn't deliver everything in one hit. It builds, layer by layer, turning acceleration into something that keeps evolving the longer you stay on the throttle. This is what happens when limits disappear. 1. McLaren W1. A brief flash on the throttle, and the response feels immediate, almost predictive, like the car moved before you fully decided to accelerate. The McLaren W1 represents where hypercars are heading next. It blends extreme aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and a high-output hybrid system designed to react faster than traditional performance setups. Early figures suggest a combined output of around 1,200 horsepower and approximately 900 pound-feet of torque, delivering acceleration that feels instant and controlled. It's expected to surge from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and push toward a projected top speed beyond 217 miles per hour. while aiming for a weight close to 3,300 pounds. Inside the cabin, the experience is focused yet advanced. The layout feels minimal, with everything positioned around the driver. Displays are clean, controls are simplified, and the environment feels engineered for precision rather than comfort. When you accelerate, the hybrid system responds instantly. Electric torque hits first. You feel connected to every movement. The steering communicates clearly, and the car reacts without delay. It doesn't overwhelm you with noise or aggression. This isn't the future anymore, this is just the beginning. If this level of performance impressed you, hit like right now. Subscribe for more machines redefining speed, and tell me in the comments, which one would you take for a drive? The future of hypercars is already here.